Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 linear equation in one variable, exercise 2.2, and this chapter's question number 12. Question number 12 have 15 years from now Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi present age? Suppose if Ravi age is 4 years, okay, so what is the Rabi age after 15 years? You can say 4 plus 15, suppose, so this is equal to 90, okay, but question just told us that Rabi age after 15 years is 4 times his present age. Means if we take the Rabi present age is 4 years, then what will be the age of Rafi after 50 years? 15 years, it's become 4 times of this age. 4 into 4, this is equal to 60. Okay, so this is a contradiction because if this is a constant number, here 19 and 16 not equal. So first we let the present age of Rabi is bx, okay, in variables. Okay, so first write here, let Rabi present age bx. Here you write question number 12. Let Rabi present age Rabi present age bx years. Okay, Rabi present age be x years. So what is the 15 years after? What is the age of Rabi after 15 years? Okay, so here this is given 4 times of his present age. Okay, so here you write after 15 years Rabi age. After 15 years Rabi age is equal to, this is given in question, after 50 years the Rabi age will be 4 times it's his present age, but here we let the present age of Rabi is x. So after 50 years Rabi age is equal to 4 into x, this is equal to 4x years. Okay, and also we can say the 15 years from now Rabi age. Okay, 15 years from now Rabi age means after 15 years Rabi age. 15 years from now Rabi age this is equal to present age is x. So after 15 years the Rabi age is equal to x plus 15 years. X plus 15 years you can say here. Okay, so you can say we find two types Rabi age after 15 years 4x, and again here the Rabi age after 15 years is x plus 15. So both are equals. So you can write according to condition, according to question, according to question we have, according to question we have that you can write 4x because this is the age of Rabi after 15 years, and this is also you find x plus 15, and this is the age of Rabi after 15 years because we let the present age of Rabi is x. So according to the question just told us the Rabi age after 15 years is 4 times his present age. So we let present age is x. So after 15 years Rabi age will be 4x. Okay, now again we can find the Rabi age after 15 years this is equal to x plus 15. Okay, suppose your age is 10 years, so after 15 years your age will be 10 plus 15. In this way you can find your age. Okay, if your age is suppose 10 years, then what will your age after 15 years? You add 15 in your present age, so your present age here 10, then after 15 years your age will be 10 plus 15, 25. Okay, so here we find here two types of age after 15 years, 4 years and x plus 15. It means that this is both are equal because both are the Rabi age after 15 years. So if you transfer this x to left hand side, then we have done 4x minus x. This is equal to 15, or you can say here this becomes 3x is equal to 15, or you can say x is equal to 15 by 3. This implies that x is equal to 5. What is x? X is the Rabi age. Okay, so hence you can write here Rabi present age is 5 years. Hence you can write here, hence Rabi present age is 5 years. 5 years old. Okay, so in this question this is given, and that 15 years from now Rabi age will be 4 times his present age. So what is Rabi age? What is Rabi present age? So for this first we let Rabi present age be x. So what is the Rabi age after 15 years? So 4x, because this is given 4 times of present age of Rabi after 15 years. And also we can find the Rabi age after 15 years, x plus 15. So we find two types the Rabi age after 15 years. It means that both are equal. So here we can write 4x is equal to x plus 15. When we said transposing this x to left hand side, then we obtain 4x minus x, and in right hand side we obtain 15. And we can solve this, and we find the value of x is 5. So what is x? Because you let the Rabi present age be x, so this is a Rabi present age. So we can write hence the Rabi present age be 5 years. Now, so student, I hope all of you understood this question, question number 12. Now we are going to discuss question number 13. This is given question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. So here this is given, when you multiply 5 by 2 in rational numbers and add 2 by 3 the product of rational number and 5 by 2, then we get minus 7 by 12. So here we need to find what is the rational numbers. Okay, so for this first we let the rational number be x. When you multiply 5 by 2 in x, then we obtain 5 by 2 into x, and again we add them to 2 by 3, so this become 5 by 2 into x plus 2 by 3. This is equal to minus 7 by 2 according to our condition, and we simplify this and solve the value of x. Then we obtain the value of x is minus 1 by 2. It means that minus 1 by 2 the our required rational numbers, in which we multiply 5 by 2 and add this product 2 by 3, then we got minus 7 by 12. Okay, so let's see how to do this question. So in question number 13, first you let the rational number be x. Okay. So here first you write let a rational number be x. A rational number bx. bx. And after this, this is given. First we multiply this natural number by 5 by 2. This is given. So when we multiply the given x by 5 by 2, 5 by 2 into x, then we obtain 5x by 2. Okay. And after this, this question just told that 8 2 by 3 in the product. This is the product of 5 by 2 and x. Okay. And we add it 5 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2. 2 by 3. And what is the result? Result is minus 7 by 12. This is equal to minus 7 by 12. This is equal to minus 7 by 12. And when we transposing this 2 by 3 to right hand side, then I obtain here minus 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 7 by 12 and minus 2 by 3. So let's see in proper way. So I hope all you understood this process. So we write here according to condition or according to question. According to question, this is given that we have, what is the question, condition in question? Rational numbers multiplied by 5 by 2 into x, and after this we add 2 by 3, then we obtain minus 7 by 12. This is a condition in this question given. Okay. What is the condition? Rational numbers which is multiplied by 5 by 2 and 8 by 2 by 3, the result will be minus 7 by 12. Okay. So we write here according to this conditions. Now transposing this 3 by 2 to right side, then we have in left side 5 by 2 x is equal to minus, in right hand side we have minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. So student, I hope all of you know how to find the LCM, because here we find LCM and solve them. So LCM of 12 and 3 is 12, because 12 is the multiple of 3. So you can write here 12. So 12 1 is 12. For this 7 1 is 7. It becomes minus 7. Minus. If we divide 12 by 3, then we obtain quotient 4, and we multiply this numerator by this quotient 4. So 4 into 2, this is equal to 8. Here you can write in left hand side 5 by 2x. So this is equal to 5 by 2x is equal to, you can write here, this is equal to minus 15. Minus 15 by 12. Okay. Or we can write here 5 by 2x is equal to, if you simplify this you obtain minus 5 by 4. If you simplify this, you obtain 5 minus 5 by 4. If you divide numerator and denominator by 3, then you obtain minus 5 by 4. And here, and now we transposing 5 by 2 in right hand side, and so we obtain left hand side x only, and right hand minus 5 by 4 into this becomes 2 by 5. So 5 cancel here, and 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So you can say here we find the value of x is minus 1 by 2. So what is x? Minus 1 by 2. So what is x? So you can say x is our supposition that this is a rational number. So we can say the required rational number is minus 1 by 2. Here we can write, hence the rational number is minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is our required rational numbers. In this question, this is given that a rational number is such that when we multiplied it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. So what is the rational number? So for this, first we let a rational number Vx. Here you can see. After this, we multiply next by 5 by 2 and add the product by 2 by 3 and we get minus 7 by 12. So you can see here, we simplify them and solve, then we find the value of x is minus 1 by 2, but we let the x is the rational numbers. Okay, so our required rational number is minus 1 by 2. So student, I hope all of you understood and this question how to solve and how to find and the required rational numbers when some condition is given. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 14. In question number 14, this is given and that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank and she has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of the these notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5, 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. The number of notes is 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note, and their ratio is given 2 ratio 3 ratio 5, and the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. This is also given. So we need to find how many notes of each denominations does she have. Okay, so number of we need to find the number of notes of 100 rupees, number of notes of 50 rupees and the number of notes of 10 rupees, and the total amount with Lakshmi is given 4 lakhs and ratio of the notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. This is also given. So let's see how to do this. So in this question, first we let the number of notes of 100 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees be 2x, 3x and 5x respectively, because here given the ratio of notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. So we let 2x, 3x and 5x. Okay, so let's see how to write it. Let number of notes of rupees 100, of rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 50 and rupees 10 be 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Okay, this is respectively, because the given ratio of notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. So we let the 2x, 3x and the 5x. This is a 100 rupees notes, this is a 50 rupees notes, this is a 10 rupees notes. Okay, so what is the amount of 100 rupees notes? If you multiply this and 2x into 100, then we obtain 100 rupees amount of 100 rupees note. And what is the amount of 50 rupees notes? So if we multiply 50 into 3x, then we have 50 rupees notes. Suppose we have 50 rupees 4 note. How many notes of 50 rupees? 4 notes. So if you multiply by 4 in 50, then we obtain the amount of 50 rupees note. This is equal to 200. Similarly, we multiply by 100 in this, and this 50 by 3x and 10 by 5x. Then we obtain total amount is, if you sum them, then we obtain total amount is 4 lakh rupees because the Lakshmi had 4 lakh rupees. Okay, so here you write according to questions. According to question, this is given. We multiply 100 by 2x, then we obtain total amount of 100 rupees. When we multiply 50 and by 3x, 3x is the number of 50 rupees note, and this is the amount 50 rupees, total amount of 50 rupees notes, and this is a 10 rupees. If you multiply 10 by 5x, then we obtain total amount of 10 rupees notes. Okay, so number of notes of 10 rupees is 5x. We let number of notes of 5 rupees and 50 rupees is 3x, and number of notes is 100 rupees is 2x. If you sum them, then we obtain 4 lakh. How many amount? 4 lakh, because this is given in this question, and that Lakshmi have 4 lakh amount, and in which denomination 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Okay, and the number of notes, this ratio of the number of notes is also given 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. So we let the number of notes of 100 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes is 2x, 3x and 5x, and this is the amount of 100 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. If you sum them, then we obtain 4 lakh rupees. Okay, so this become 200x, this becomes 50 into 3, 150x, and this is 10 into 5, 50x. Okay, now this is equal to 4 lakh. Clear? This is equal to 4 lakh. When you sum them, 2x plus 150 plus 50, then we obtain 400. This is equal to 400 x, or you can say this is a 4 lakh. Okay, when you divide it, x is equal to 4 lakh by 400, then we obtain the value of x is equal to 1000. Okay, when divide 4 lakh by 400, then we obtain the value of x is 1000. So we can find and the number of notes of 100 rupees. Okay, so here you can write hence the number of notes, number of 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, this is equal to 2 into 1000, and this is equal to 2000. Okay, because here we let the number of 100 rupees notes be 2x, so this is equal to 2 into 1000, this is equal to 2000. After this we need to find the number of notes of 50 rupees. Okay, number of 50 rupees notes, number of rupees 50 notes, this is equal to here this is 3x, so value of x we have 1000, so you can say this is equal to 3000 notes. Okay, and number of notes, number of notes, a number of 10 rupees notes, this is equal to number of 10 rupees notes, this is 5x, we let 5x, the value of x is 1000, so this is equal to 5000. So then I hope all of you understood how to find the number of notes when its ratio of notes is given and types of notes is also given. So in this question you can see this is given that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees in the ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 5, and the total cash with Lakshmi have 4 lakh rupees. So we need to find here how many notes of each of denomination does she have. So for this we let the number of notes of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees according to their given ratio is 2x, 3x and 5x respectively, and according to questions we multiply 100 into 2x plus 50 into 3x plus 10 into 5x, and this is equal to 4 lakh rupees because the Lakshmi have 4 lakh rupees in this dimension, and we solve here. Then we find the value of x is 1000. So we can find the number of notes of 100 rupees is 2000, number of notes of 50 rupees is 3000, number of notes of 10 rupees is 5000. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 15. Okay, in this question this is given that I have a total of 300 in coins. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees, and the number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. This condition is given. The number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins. Okay, so the total number of coins is also given 160. Total number of coins is given 160. So we need to find how many coins of each denomination are with me. Okay, so total amount with me is 300. Types of coins is 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 3 rupees, and the condition is given. The number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupees coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupees coins, and total number of coins is also given 160. So we need to find the number of each type's coins. Okay, so let's see how to find them. For this is given. The total sum of money is 300 rupees, and after this we let the number of 5 rupees coins bx. So what is the number of 2 rupees coin? This is 3 times of x. So 3, this is equal to 3x, and the number of 1 rupees coins is, because we have the number of 2 rupees no, the number of 5 rupees coin is x, we let, and number of 2 rupees coin is 3x, and total number of coins is 160. So number of 1 rupees coins is 160 minus 3x plus x. Okay, and when we apply the multiply by 5 into 2 into 1, then we obtain this is equal to 300. So let's see how to solve this question. So in this question, first you write total sum of money. This is given total sum of money. Total sum of money. This is given rupees 300. Okay, and the total number of coins is also given. Total number of coins this is also given 160. Okay, and this is given that, and the 2 rupees coins is 3 times the rupees 5 coins. So first you let number of rupees 5 coins be x. Okay, so let the number of rupees 5 coins be x. So what is the number of rupees 2 coins? 3 times of x, 3x, and number of rupees 2 coins this is equal to 3 into x, 3x. So what is the number of coins of rupees 1? So and we write here at last, number of coins of rupees 1 coins is equal to, total coins is 160, and we subtract the sum of the coins of 5 rupees and 2 rupees, 3x plus x. Okay, this is equal to, you can say, 160 minus 4x. Okay, now according to condition, what is condition? You can write here, according to condition, a question, you can say, question we have, if you multiply x by 5, this is equal to 5x, and 2 by 3x, this is equal to 3x. Okay, and 160, 1 into 160 minus 4x. Okay, so this is the total amount of rupees 5, coin 5. This is total amount of coin 2. This is total amount of coins 1. If you sum them, add them, then we obtain 300 rupees. So here we write here plus, and this is equal to 300 rupees. Okay, so now this is equal to 5x plus 6x, and plus this multiply by this, then we obtain 160 minus 4x, this is equal to 300. Okay, now 5x plus 6x, this is 11x. When we subtract minus 4x from 11x, then we obtain 7x. Here we obtain 7x, and in right hand side 300 minus 160. So you can see here 7x is equal to, if you subtract them 160 from 300, then we obtain 140. So x is equal to, we can say 140 by 7, or the value of x is equal to 20. Okay, the value of x is equal to 20. So in this way we will find the number of coins of 5 rupees. What is the number of coins of 5 rupees? So here you can erase this. Find the number of coins of 5 rupees. Okay, because here we find the value of x is equal to 20. So what is the x? X is the number of coins of 5 rupees. Okay, so we can write here, hence the number of coins of rupees 5 is equal to 20. Number of coins of rupees 2, this is equal to 3 times of coins of 5 rupees. So 3 into 20, this is equal to 60. And next, number of coins of rupees 1, this is equal to 160 minus 4 into 2, because 160 minus 4x, so the value of x is 20. So this is equal to 160 minus 4 into x. So this is equal to 160 minus 80. Okay, so here you can say the number of coins of 1 rupees is 160 minus 80. This is equal to 80. So student, I hope all of you understood this question again, because this is given. The types of coins is 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees, and also this is given, one condition is that rupees coins 2 is 3 times of the rupees coins 5, and total number of coins is given 160, and total amount is also given 300 rupees. So for this help of this given condition, we find and the number of coins of 5 rupees is 20, number of coins of 2 rupees is 60, and number of coins of 1 rupee is 80. So I hope all of you understood these questions. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.